Scratches, dents and chips are an unfortunate part of everyday motoring life. These unavoidable little accidents can be costly and inconvenient to repair and cost you your no-claims bonus. But with GardX Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions, you can protect yourself against these unexpected expenses. So, what is Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions? GardX Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions, C.A.R.S Plus, is a mobile minor damage repair service. C.A.R.S Plus offer a fast and efficient service. Registering a claim is quick and easy with our mobile claims app. Technicians can come to your home or workplace with minimal fuss. All repairs completed by our approved repairers are covered with a lifetime guarantee. So keep your car in showroom condition and safeguard your no-claims bonus with GardX C.A.R.S Plus today.